We're going to be doing 1.C2. So for our first three problems, we're going to solve them like you always do. You can use manipulatives, you can use your fingers, you can draw pictures, however you want to solve them, but I want you to solve these three problems. For the second one, you're going to find how many groups of 10 can you find. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, I know this row is a row of 10. So I could go 1, 2, 3, 4. You could have also done it with 4 and 2, 4 and 2, 4 and 2 to get 4 groups of 10. However you wanted, as long as you found 4 groups of 10. Miss Meyer's class visited the zoo. Read the chart below to see how the animals the children saw. How many more giraffes and zebras did the children see? Well, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look, okay, well, I'm looking at giraffes and zebras. That's what I care about. So I know I have 5 giraffes and I know I have 1 zebra. I'm looking for how many more giraffes and zebras, so I'm comparing. Well, I know there was 5 giraffes and 4 zebras, so I know there were 4 more giraffes than zebras. And I know that's reasonable because 4 is less than 5 and it's greater than 1. Fill in the missing numbers. 18, 19, 20. I see I'm counting by 1, so I'm going to count forward. 21, 22, 23. That's reasonable and makes sense. 34, 33. I see I'm counting backwards by 1. 32, 31, 30, 29. 59, 58. Again, I'm counting backwards by 1. 57, 56, 55, 54. Write the numbers below in standard form. So I see this as 116. So I know I have 116 leftovers. So it's going to look like this, 116. 67, I know I have 6 groups of 10 and 7 ones, 67. 107, I know I have 100, no 10s and 7 ones. 21, I know I have 2 groups of 10 and 1 left over, 21. Represent the number 115 3 different ways. I could represent it in standard form. I could represent it in expanded form, which is 100 plus 10 plus 5. I could represent it in pictorial form, which is 1 group of 100, 1 group of 10, and 5 more. I could represent it as 11 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've decomposed that 100. I'm going to stub my other 10, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all different ways I could decompose this. I could have also decomposed this 10, and I could have represented it with 115 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's this 10 decomposed right here. And I'm going to have 5 more ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 115. Miss Cook collects coins. She can make 5 groups of 10 pennies. How many pennies does Miss Cook have? Okay, well, I know she's making 5 groups of 10, and each of these represents 1, so that is not how many she has. Again, we're looking for 5 groups of 10. This is not 5 groups. This is 1 group of 10. This is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 groups of 10. So this is my correct answer. I'm going to put X's so I can make sure I understand. Which number does the model show? Well, I know this here represents 100 and this represents 10. So I know that's 100 plus 10 or 110. So I'm going to look here. This is 101. This is a group of 10, so that's not true. 100 plus 10. This is 100 plus 10 more. That is true. 101. This is again not 101 because I see a 10. And it's not 2 10s and 0 1s because I know this right here represents 100. So it's going to be 100 plus 10.